Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'd like to show you how to change the drain pump filter on your Samsung built front load washer. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to replace this filter, we simply need to open up the access door at the bottom of the front panel. You'll want to keep on hand a small container to collect any residual water that may be left in the pump. Simply push down on the tab at the top, hinge that door out. You can actually lift it out of the opening if you wish. And you'll note that there is a small rubber tube there. It's fitted into a little clip on the top of that opening. We're simply going to remove the plug on the end of that hose. And then allow any water that's in that pump to drain into your container. Once that's drained out, you can put the plug back in place. And you can clip that hose into the little retainer at the top of that opening. Next, we simply need to unthread the old filter from the pump by turning it counterclockwise. Remove it and discard it. You'll also want to check in the opening of that housing to make sure that there's no debris that it may be caught in the impeller of the pump. If that's clean, we simply need to fit the new filter into place. If you wish, you can moisten this rubber gasket to allow it to tighten easier. You just moisten that with some water and simply fit it straight into the housing. Turn it clockwise until it tightens up. We'll reinstall the access door. Snap it shut. And your repair is complete.